Someday we'll sit down together and laugh with each other about these days, these days. All our troubles we'll lay to rest, and we'll wish we could come back to these days, these days. That funny little girl slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it slipping through my fingers.
Have you seen the state of that doggy? Woof. If I pet it, it'd better be fluffy. Adiola takes walks like a geezer. Through a sticky booger and retriever.
If I could ever go without watermelon sugar. Hi, baby, do you wanna be mine?
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, my baby.
Hey, my Mommy.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, I wanna spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us.
Shorty, what you want? I got what you need.